Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install KillerWhale Large Cap Strategy. First, what you're going to do is come over to the Marketplace tab. We're going to go to Strategies. In the top right you can search KillerWhale. We can sort by just strategies. KillerWhale Large Cap Strategy. You can click on it, then you can purchase, and I'm going to be using my balance for this example. Click Pay Now. Once downloaded, make sure to check the auto update button. After that, you can click on the Marketplace tab again, and we can go to Templates. Once again, we'll search KillerWhale. We can sort by just templates. And we're looking for the large cap template for Kucoin in this example. There it is at the bottom. Download and check auto update. Then what we can do is we can go to the config and then base config tab. And in the top right corner, we'll click on the actions tab, load template. And we're going to load the KillerWhale Large Cap template for Kucoin. Load template. After that, you can come over to the strategy tab, make sure it says KillerWhale Large Cap. Click Save. Once saved, you can come back over to the dashboard. We're using paper trading in this example, so you can click on Deposit, USDT, and we're going to do $2,500 for this example. Deposit. Once you've deposited the funds, you can enable your hopper and reset your current profit. And that's it. Your hopper is ready to go. Thank you for joining us. KillerWhale, change the way you trade.